In this video, we will learn about radiation. So, we know that we feel the warmth of the sun when we are outside because we get energy from the sun in the form of heat. But the question is that how the heat energy from the sun reaches because sun is so far away from us. So, it is not possible by conduction because this process takes place in solids only. And we also know that the convection process is not possible because there is no medium, means there is no air in some parts of the space between the earth and the sun. There is vacuum. So how come the radiations, or how come the sun's heat reaches us? So there is another process of transfer of heat which can take place without any medium, and that is called radiation. So we can say the mode of heat transfer from distant sources in the environment without requiring any medium or contact is called radiation. So in this process, heat flows in the form of waves, or we can say they are also called as electromagnetic waves or electromagnetic radiations. So we can also define radiation as the spread or flow of heat in the form of heat waves. So the radiation that is carrying the heat energy is called thermal radiation. So thermal radiations, they do not require a medium, that is solid, liquid or gas, to travel. They can travel through vacuum also. That is why they can reach from the space to the earth. So any hot object, whether it's a solid or a liquid or a gas, it radiates heat, means it gives out heat to the surrounding by the process of radiation. That is why presence of a hot object in the surroundings can be felt even when there is no direct contact with it. For example, if we are standing near a fire camp or a campfire, so we can feel the warmth of it because of the process of radiation. So we can say that when the thermal radiation falls on an object, a part of it gets reflected, a part of it is absorbed, and some part may be transmitted. So that is how the temperature of the object increases and it becomes hot due to the absorbed part, whatever part is absorbed. But the amount of heat absorbed by different objects is different and it depends on various factors like nature of material. So we know metals and water, they absorb more heat than non-metals. Distance from the source. So if the source of heat and the objects are kept close, so the object will receive more heat as the distance between the two increases and the heat received by object decreases. Next is color of the object. So dark colors absorb more as well as give out more thermal radiations, and light colors, they absorb less and give out less thermal radiations. So we can say black color absorbs the maximum and give out the maximum thermal radiation, whereas the white and silver colors absorb minimum and give out minimum thermal radiation. So we can verify these facts by performing the activities, and here we can see that is why electric room heaters, they have shiny surfaces, and car radiators, they are painted black because dark colors absorb and release more heat. So here in this activity we have to show that the dark bodies are good absorber while shining bodies are poor absorbers of heat. For that we require an ice tray with ice cubes, a black paper and an aluminium foil. Now we have to take out two ice cubes from the same ice tray, wrap one of them in a piece of black paper and the other one in the aluminium foil. Place both of them in the sun at the same place. Observe them after 5 minutes. And we have to observe which one has melted out more. So we know that ice wrapped in black paper melts more. This is because black color absorbs more heat than the shining color. So I hope it is clear to you. Thank you.